Hi, Peter from Techboard here, talking to Sue Bahn from Tap Into Safety. Thanks for joining us, Sue. Can you tell us in a nutshell what Tap Into Safety does?
Tap Into Safety develops customised, interactive, low-cost health and safety applications that teach and test safety knowledge, hazard perception and mental health strategies. We deliver all of these on mobile devices such as your iPad, Android, web-based and so on.
Can you tell us what's different about Tap Into Safety from your competitors?
So we look at both mental health and safety. Our platform's so versatile that we're able to cut straight over to mental health with our safety applications. What makes the safety ones different from our competitors is that we use 360, 180-degree panoramic photographic shots of a workplace, and we have the user or the worker working in those environments, which are almost virtual. We then use gaming techniques to set up competitions and teach how to work safely in those hazardous environments. The other thing we do though, and this is where we've moved over into the mental health early intervention applications, is that we use animation to tackle issues that are causing mental health problems. For example, cyberbullying, sexting, self-harm, etc. And that animation makes a really sensitive subject really palatable for the end user.
So how's the market responding to your offering?
They really like our applications because we're taking the photographs of their work areas and having their workers work in scenarios that they actually can relate to, because it actually is their workplace that we've taken photographs of. The other thing that's interesting about that particular platform as well is that it's the foundation to move into virtual reality training. We have the content, so we have the 360, 180-degree panoramic shots, which is what you do your 3D modelling on, so that you can build your virtual reality environments. But we go further than that in that we have interactive touch points within our 360 photograph scenarios that then train you from there, including all the assessments and all the reporting. So once virtual reality becomes more mainstream and cost effective, we're actually good to go. So we're really excited about that, and so's industry, because they know that we can grow as the tech grows. The mental health stuff, the early intervention tools, there are very few early intervention tools, and everyone I've showed our platform to in the last couple of months are leaping over each other to get it. So we really think we've nailed it with these applications. Extremely excited about what this is going to be.
You've just announced a pretty big deal on Techboard, which is the agreement you've reached with the Australian Asphalt Pavement Association, or APA. Sounds like a pretty big deal. Can you tell us more?
Yeah, it's massive news actually. People don't quite understand how large this deal is, but we've literally signed an association. So what that means is they hold the licence. We have an annual licence and usage model. They hold the licence, so therefore they pay that licence. They then have their membership access world-class training in the latest tech for a very, very small user fee. So what that means is we have the entire industry now using our software. So what's happened is they've gone to their 5 key customers, and they have 200 customers in Australia and New Zealand, and they've asked them, would you be interested in doing this? Well, their 5 customers have gone one step further and decided that it will be mandatory training now. And so that unless you complete a module every 2 months, you can't work in the industry. Now, we're very thrilled about that. We didn't ask for that, but what's happening is that industry are driving improvement through the membership. They're also informing the content. So therefore, we're actually delivering, if you like, benchmark training that is mandatory training.
So, Sue, can you tell us what you're expecting for Tap Into Safety in the year ahead?
Yeah, well, to bed down that customer, make sure that the association model works brilliantly, deal with any of the on-flow of that. We also have other customers we have to make sure that are doing very, very well. But the mental health stuff as well, we're beta testing our mental health applications through 5 high schools in the next 2 terms to make sure the content's exactly how the education market would like it, and then that will then push into other markets. So those applications are called All of Me, and we're very excited about mental health. And the final piece is we have a daily has a perception mobile phone app, Say For Me, that we started development of and have had to just put aside for the moment because of the mental health applications taking precedence. We hope to get back to that in January and release that out as well. So the industry are calling for all of these, but we just can't get there fast enough.
Thanks very much for your time today, Sue.